Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share what is new in Google Chrome 2021. Google Chrome has updated day by day the 2021 November. What is the update and what are the new things are there in Google Chrome? Let me show you. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just opened Chrome browser. I just check whether my Chrome browser is up to date or not. So on your right hand side you will get a three dot. Just click the three dots and just go to settings option. So once you go to the settings option, you will get a lot of options will be available. So just go to about Chrome. So once you go to about Chrome, automatically it will ask you nearly up to date. So relaunch a Chrome, finish updating it. So just click a relaunch. Once you click a relaunch, automatically Chrome browser will be relaunched and it will show a latest update. Yes, your Chrome is up to date. So what is there a new update in Chrome browser? So Chrome browser is updated. So sharing links, keep the good part, it's a new one, and customization, and pick a new background colors. Everything will be given here. So now I would like to showcase what is new in Google Chrome. Yes, so first and foremost, I just want to create a new profile. So just click the new tab. You will find an option called in your left hand side corner. You will get a customize Chrome. So once you click a customize Chrome, you will get a different kind of background. So you can choose a different kind of backgrounds model. So whatever model you want, you can choose according to your need. For example, if I choose means I just click done, means my Chrome browser, entire Chrome browser will be changed like a beautiful picture. So I just click here to change another background picture or anything else. I just want to change anything else, I can change my background picture. Yes, and the shortcuts. So whatever shortcuts you want to have, you can have the shortcuts over here. So what are the most recently viewed, you want to add the shortcut, just click the add shortcuts. So and give that, for example, I just want to have some Microsoft or my YouTube or anything else. I just give some YouTube as a shortcut key for www.youtube.com. so once I give means automatically that Chrome browser will be open here. So I just click done, means the YouTube will be open here. So you want to have that shortcut keys, you can have the shortcut keys according to your need. So I want to add my own picture in my Chrome browser. I just click here to upload my from the devices, and I can choose the devices, whatever names I want I can add. And the new option which is given from the Google Chrome, so updated ones, I just type some Microsoft. I want to search something else, I want to highlight something informations. So what I have to do, so the new Chrome browser is given here. So for example, I just have some Surface 7 Pro. So I just select some important information I want to share with my teacher or friends and my colleagues. So Surface Pro features laptop classic core processor. So I just select any other website, I select and highlight the text. Just right click and copy link to highlight. This is a new option which is given from the Google Chrome latest update. Just select copy link highlight. Once you select a copy highlight link, means once you paste anywhere else, once you share anywhere else, just to select means automatically that page will be open with a highlight option. Have you seen here? For example, I just go any other website. For example, I just want to search some Tesla car or related ones. I want to search some electric car related sums. I want to have something else in that. So the text I want to highlight means, so I can highlight the text over here. So whatever text I want to highlight that, so I can highlight that option. So this is an easy option. For example, I just choose some text over here and just select and copy link highlight. So once I copy link highlight, if I share anything else, means if they got information or link, means just paste the link, automatically that text will be highlighted over there, so that the people can identify whatever you're going to talk with them. So easy to understand. So this is a beautiful option which is given from the Google Chrome. So you can get entire Google Chrome with a up-to-date option to change your surface, change your colors, themes, and all kind of searching option. So use this option, you can have your new Chrome browser with up-to-date. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.